The Upods from UMIDIGI are a really average and low price earbud that you can pick up for around $20. So if you're interested in saving money and getting some decent quality, then stay locked in. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano and welcome back to the channel and thank you for subscribing. But today we have an unboxing of the UMIDIGI Upods. Now, the Upods from UMIDIGI are the TWS Bluetooth 5.0 auto pairing with noise reduction with a charging box. Now, they were listed at $19.98, but you can get them off a discount at a reasonable price with the link that I'll show down below for $14.95. So the UMIDIGI Upods are 24-hour TWS music companion is what they list on the website, and it has a 600 milliamp hour charging box with Bluetooth 5.0. You also do get 7.2 millimeter dynamic driver with auto pairing plus extra earbuds inside the box. So you can see the box does look like an old record and it looks pretty cool, just like their smartphone boxes that you would see from UMIDIGI. So they do have that same packaging, which is a nice experience as well for the earbuds that are the Upods. So we're gonna go ahead and you can see that it does say they're the black color. Now, the Upods are a really budget-friendly device, so for the price that you're gonna be paying, you shouldn't be expecting, nothing crazy or anything that would actually knock your socks off. But let's go ahead, cut this box open. Right there, you can see it tells you to cut on both sides. So let's get that open and see what's inside the box. So we do get thanks for choosing UMIDIGI, and please leave us and review your feedback if you like it. We would appreciate it. So you can do so if you so desire. But you do get the user manual as well, and you also do get data transfer rate up to 2 times compared to previous generations. That makes the connection much faster with the 5.0 and more stable, so that means less dropping out when you're actually on a listening to music or on a phone call. But honestly, the 2 features that were apparently missing from the Upods were the ability to move your songs forward and back. So that wasn't present, nor did they have the volume controls equipped with the earbuds. So basically, when you're changing songs and music, you have to use your device. So you do get these extra earbuds, which is pretty cool, and I thought that was pretty nice that they added that in there, as well as a USB cable and also your charging case. So you do see right here that you do get this thing that says please tear off film and the isolation film on the earbuds, and please read the instructions carefully. So let's just go ahead and peel this off. But also, one of the things that's pretty cool is that the driver in this thing does say it's a DSP Intelligent Noise Reduction Smart Digital NC module, which has been embedded in the Bluetooth chipset of GT1 to dispel parts of noise to improve sound quality overall and give you a more quality sound. So we're gonna go ahead and put that to the test because I haven't tried these out yet, but we're gonna go ahead and see how the Ubuds would actually be in real life testing. So basically, you get these 2 earbuds and you have to take off the film from the top where you see the buttons right there. They're not touch responsive, those are actually buttons, and you can see there's a mic or a headset emblem right over top of it. So you can see these are a nice size and they're not too big or small. So let's go ahead and test these out. Make sure you stay locked in. Hey, what's up guys? So these are the UMIDIGI earbuds. So we're gonna go ahead and test them out and see if they fit in my ear nice and proper. So when you open them up, you do see that they do have that red light on each side. And let's just go ahead and test out the magnet strength. And one popped out, but that was after like 4 hard tugs. So the magnets aren't really strong because one of them falls out every time, but they do seem to be a good quality. And when they're both in, you can see that they turn red. When you take one out, you can see right here that it turns white. So this one is going to be for my left ear. Let's go ahead, put that in, and let's put that in my ear, and that actually fits really good. So I definitely like the fit and everything like that. Not only do they fit really good in the ear, and you do get a really nice fit, but you also do get a really good microphone. So right now I am recording the audio with the Upods right now. So you can see right now the audio quality is actually really good on the UMIDIGI Upods. So when it comes to the audio quality, I could definitely say that they do produce really good sound as well. And you'll be able to tell later on when I do the audio test with the phone call that it will actually give you some really good sound quality also. But these things do let you hear out of both ears, where other earphones just like them in the same price point but a little bit higher will only let you hear out of one ear. But one of the features that was missing is volume control as well as song changing feature. So basically those features are missing, but you do get like stereo sound when you're on phone call, which is one of the most important features. So when I had them all the way up, when I was listening to rap, I did notice that it was a nice, rich, loud sound. The louder it got, it got a little bit muddier, but it wasn't bad for $14.95. So when I was listening to rap music, I could also double tap on the right ear and I would get Siri, and that was about it. There was no other controls other than pause and play, which you can see right here, which I'm able to play it by tapping either one, pause or play. But it came with that Siri feature as well, so you weren't getting the changing the songs or the volume controls, which was a feature that I actually really like on Bluetooth earbuds. So overall, I can say that the Upods from UMIDIGI are really nice, as well as when you're listening to them with the video playback on YouTube, you actually notice that it does produce a really good sound and it matches the lips perfectly. So I didn't have any complaints when it came to the phone calls either. Hi, I needed an order for delivery. Shrimp with the French fries and Pepsi. Alright, bye-bye. So if you're looking to purchase some AirPods or earbuds that are under $20 and you're not looking to dish out a whole bunch of money on something like the Samsung earbuds or Apple AirPods or something like that, then the UMIDIGI earbuds were actually one of the top choices for under $20. You're getting some really good microphones that you are able to hear right now, as well as some decent sound quality, as well as a good build quality as well. 24 hours of battery, but make sure you guys stay locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano, and if you found this helpful, hit the bell icon so you can get notified for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys later. Later, crew. Peace.